Best Part by Daniel Caesar tutorial. 1, 2, 3. You don't know, babe, when you hold me, kiss me slowly, it's the sweetest thing. And it don't change if I had it my way. You would know that you are. You're the coffee that I need in the morning. You're my sunshine in the rain when it's pouring. When you give yourself to me, give it all. I just wanna see, I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it, I know you're the star. Where you go I follow, no matter how far. If life is a movie, oh, you're the best part. Oh, you're the best part. Oh. There are 4 chords in the verse: a D major 7, an A minor 7, a G, and a B flat. And it's the same for verse 1 and verse 2. And this is how I do the finger snap. It's the sunshine and those brown eyes. You're the one that I desire. D major 7, A minor 7, G, and then B flat. Again, D major 7, A minor 7, G, and B flat. And it repeats. Now for the pre-chorus, it's the same chord. It's the same as D major 7, A minor 7, G, and B flat. You're my water when I'm stuck in the desert. You're the Tylenol I take when my head hurts. You're the sunshine. G, from G, it goes to B flat. So again, D major 7, A minor 7, G, and B flat. So verse and pre-chorus are exactly the same chords: a D major 7, an A minor 7, a G, and a B flat. Now for the chorus, it's exactly the same chords. The same 4 chords in the verse, the same 4 chords in the pre-chorus, and the same 4 chords in chorus. Again, it's a D major 7, A minor 7, G, and B flat. I just wanna see it. Oh no, you're B, G, and B flat. Same D major 7, A minor 7. The only difference when I do reach the part is I do some of the finger style differently instead of the pull when you're at the end of the chorus. Oh, in the outro, it's exactly the same 4 chords. D major 7, A minor 7, a G, and a B flat. If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? Won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? Love me, won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? Love me, won't you? If you love me, won't you say? And then you just fade. If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? Love me, won't you? So that's it. Go and practice. Bye.